Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva to create a brand identity guideline PDF, full guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Create a new design by selecting custom size. Set the dimensions to a standard A4 size for your PDF. Choose a background color that aligns with your brand's color palette. Access the text tool from the left sidebar. Add a title that clearly states brand identity guidelines. Use a large, bold font to ensure visibility. Below the title, insert a text box for the introduction. Briefly describe the purpose of the brand identity guideline. Next, introduce the brand's color palette. Use the Elements tool to create color swatches. Select shapes to represent each color in your palette. Fill these shapes with your brand colors. Label each color with its corresponding hex code. Now, move on to the typography section. Add a new title for typography. Include examples of your primary and secondary fonts. Showcase font sizes, weights, and styles. Next, introduce your logo variations. Add a new section titled Logo Usage. Insert images of your logo in different formats. Include guidelines on spacing and placement. Now, discuss imagery and graphics. Create a section titled Imagery Guidelines. Suggest styles of images that align with your brand. Include examples to illustrate your points. Next, address the brand voice. Create a section called Brand Voice. Outline the tone and style of communication. Provide examples of do's and don'ts for consistency. Finally, review your document for clarity. Ensure each section flows logically into the next. When you are satisfied, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download and choose PDF Print for high-quality output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.